Hi, Will. I like your website. It has a really funky, fun look to it. It reminds me of when websites first started and people added all sorts of things. I do recommend that you make sure, though, that anything that is in here is your work, and that also will help bring a consistency. So there's one little thing I thought looked like somebody else's work, was a cartoon guy holding, yeah, that doesn't look like your work, doesn't look like your style. So I recommend you draw and create anything that is on the site, and then it'll have a consistent look. But anyway, I'm making this video so you can see that the link isn't working. The link is not an absolute link. So this says to me, whenever I see numbers like this, it means that it's going to your desktop. It's not going out to the server. So it might look like it's working on your computer, but it's only working on your computer. These files aren't linked to the internet. So it should actually say, work/portfolio. It should be an absolute link. It should have an HTML or something like that directly connected to it. So I'm also going to show you this in Chrome. I did this earlier. So when I click to see it, I get the same message. So yeah, you need to double check your links. So this is Safari. I haven't used it. Haven't looked at it in Safari at all. Look at, they're trying to sell me that phone. That's $1,000. Okay. Click to review your work, and it just says it can't even do it. But yeah, so the problem is that the files aren't linking directly to the internet. So double check those links. Let me know if you have any questions.